Hi, welcome to this video. This video is our master bedroom transformation. It's nearly done. I am going to obviously show you at the very end what it looks like at the moment, but let's get straight into it. I've filmed them over a few different days and times, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get straight into it because that's what you're here for.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, governor. So this is the main master bedroom. Well, yeah, the main master bedroom, isn't it? Main master bedroom, might sound like it's a mansion, there's several to choose from. It's going to be our room. This is how it looks. Look at the light.
There's like wallpaper on here, which it just makes the room look quite dark, doesn't it?
Yeah, dark.
Is that wallpaper?
Yeah.
So we've got to take all this wallpaper off. Oh, sorry. It's actually pretty big, to be fair. Like, and then from here you can see the garden, which is really nice. Big it is really from here. But yeah, this is before. Yeah, so we're not sure what we're gonna do yet. We're just gonna strip all the paper.
We just cut till it's done. Can I just like work like in real life?
Ready?
Not in the video. Just 3, 2, 1.
Go.
This isn't going to be the start of the video, is it?
Oh no, no.
So you're going to like do a whole. Tamsin Clark is back. Hello, welcome. We bought a house. Very nice.
It's a nice house.
Anyone that's ever stripped wallpaper, you'll know how satisfying it is when you get off a massive like sheet of it, just with your hands. Skills.
Oh.
Oh no.
Come get that bit. I can't reach. So this is the mess that was made. So yeah, we just started to strip a lot of the wallpaper off. It's everywhere on the floor. It is very difficult at the moment. We're really struggling to get this wallpaper off, but it's getting there. It's getting there very slowly and steadily. Tom's still going at it with the wallpaper stripper, whatever it's called, and I've been using like a sponge and some water. But yeah, we're getting there slowly but steadily. Yeah, this is what it's looking like at the moment. So we've been on this for like a couple of hours and it's taken a lot longer than we anticipated to strip all the wallpaper off. So basically one of the walls had like 2 or 3 layers of wallpaper on it. So it's been quite hard. We found a steamer out, so I've been using that, and obviously been using like sponges with like water that I'll show you. This is what it's looking like right now. So this is the wall that we're really struggling with. As you can see, the actual wall is this pink bit, and then obviously we've been trying to peel up this off, but it's literally layers and layers, and we're really struggling to get this bit and under off. So basically there was this hard, can you see this really hard bit of wallpaper that was underneath that flowery wallpaper. It's so hard. We have been on it for quite a while, so we're just gonna go get some food, I think, and just eat that and come back to it. This is like all the mess everywhere. And yeah, Tom's done this wall and he's done a pretty good job so far, to be fair. Like he's got nearly down to it. It's just those little bits that need like peeling off. Yeah, this is what we're looking like right now. It is, as I said, a lot harder than we anticipated it to be, but you know, that happens. It's taken us quite a while and it's a mess. But obviously we'll have to clean up as we go along. It looks a little bit lighter in here now without that wallpaper, because I think that made it look a little bit dark and a bit gloomy. It'd be nice when it's done. This camera's really wobbly, I do apologise. Yeah, so as I said, we're gonna go get some food and then come back to it in a little bit and see how we're getting on then. So we're back, and Tom has been working very hard in here. So he's, with all the all the holes that are in the wall, he's done, what's this on the wall?
Rebrowned it.
Yeah, so he's rebrowned it, whatever that means.
Don't judge my work,
He's never done it before, so I think it's a pretty good job. After this, what do you put on this afterwards?
So, need to PVA the wall, just PVA glue and water, just paint it all over the wall. Well, first I've got to strip off all the loose bits of paper, then PVA it before we plaster over it, and then we can paint it.
Yay! Got to finish stripping off all the wallpaper. There's only bits and bobs, like kind of around here, Tom did this whole wall the other day, apart from like that bit around there. I just got to get the rest off this wall. So I think I'm just going to strip that whilst Tom, what are you going to do? Oh, is that what you're going to do? Yeah, so I'm going to do that, and then he's going to get on with that so that we can eventually start painting, which will be good. Right now we're just going to get on with that room and see. Where there is left to do. He started to take that down, but he's struggling to get that down. I think the screws are really tight. Yeah, it's looking good now. It's literally all just white at the moment. That's the wall that was plastered, and we put, how many coats was that? Two coats over that plastered wall. So I think we're going to leave it at that and then put the darker colour on, and there's a bit patchy, but if we put the darker colour on, there's no point. It's taking us a good 3 weeks or something. So we're just going to paint that one with the Minneapolis colour, and then the other ones we've decided we're actually just going to do Fairbanks on the other walls instead. Get on with that. I don't know if I'm going to film it because all I've been filming is painting, and it's probably a bit boring now. So the interesting bit will be like obviously bringing everything in, moving everything. I look a state, but this is what real life is when you're painting. Who looks pretty when they paint? I don't know who. My clothes are covered, but his are too. We've just been putting on the same ones every time, because what's the point of ruining loads of different pairs of clothes? I'm sweating. You?
Oh yes. Really bad.
Yeah, so just gonna get on with painting now and then update you whenever we're done painting. Paint away. So this is after one coat of each on the walls. So we've done, it looks a bit patchy at the moment, but we've done the darker one on this wall. The other ones we've done that lighter colour. So yeah, it's more of like a stony grey sort of colour, but it's kind of hard to see in here because it is quite a dark room anyway. We were going to do that wall and that wall, the dark, but we thought it just looked way too dark. This looks like at the moment we've got to do another coat, but we've managed to do all this today, which is good. Are absolutely covered. Look. And I've just washed them and I can't get it off. I'm just gone to get gone to get a sandwich for us, just so we can have like a little break, because obviously it's 2:30 at the moment, so we've been here for quite a while. We've done quite a bit, so yeah, we're gonna wait for this to dry whilst we eat, and then we can go over it again. Hopefully then it'll be finished, the painting will be done, I'm hoping. But yeah, we're gonna have the break now, and then we'll come back to it and see what it's looking like. But at the moment it's looking so much better than it did. Ooh, and that wall was like the feature wall. We're gonna have a bed against that, but you'll see that soon. Near enough done, and there's still like a few bits and bobs that I want to do, but let me show you the bedroom. This is what we're looking like at the moment. As I said, there's still a few bits and bobs to do in here, but how cute does this look with this cute little painting? Here's what it actually looks like as you come in. It just looks so much bigger in here now. We've got this cute, whatever this is called, on the wall. I really like it. We have a nice mirror, the dressing table, and this is like some drawers. As I said, this is just always the bit where there's just like loads of stuff. I never know what to do with it. This is how cute it looks now. It just looks so much more homely and just a lot nicer. I've just got some nice grey side, what they're called? Side lights, whatever they're called. And then this is from, I think this is from the range that I got it from actually. Really cute. The bedding, this one's actually double-sided. It's white and black. I'm obsessed with bedding at the moment. And we have a big TV, which we never ever use. That's why it's dusty. We actually always sit downstairs. I don't really know why we've got that in here. Area is really cute. I love this area. It's like my Pampers grassy area with like a nice, I think this is spiced apple. This scent is. I love stuff like that. So yeah, that's really cute. And then we just obviously looking out into the garden. I'm sure you'll see some vlogs and stuff of me doing the garden and things like that. Again, he has a cute little lamp on the side. And yeah, and I love my new light. It's not the best light, honestly, but it's kind of more for decor. That's why we have those 2 side lights. But I think this is really cute. I think this one is actually from eBay. But a few things we need to do, like I missed this part of the ceiling, so I need to kind of go back over that. But yeah, this is the finished look. This is what we're looking like so far. There's a few other bits I want to do in here. Oh, my cat. For now, this is what we're looking like. I think it's really cute. Ah, I just got an order.
That's not the money being made.
Quick look.